getting there. We got some kind of attraction going on in Mount Vernon right now. What the hell? Again? What's happening, everyone? Welcome back to the Righty View channel. This will be your host. Today, I'll be talking about the Shinko SR244 Series 2 4-ply dual sport tires. I didn't have a chance to go with them sooner, but today was a nice day, so I figured I'd jump on the arm, take it for a little spin, see what these tires are looking like. And definitely a noticeable difference. The bike definitely takes off noticeably slower. I lost probably 2 miles an hour in the top end. And tire feels a lot softer. I'm not sure if it needs more air or it's just a softer tire. So I definitely lost in the top end. And it feels better going around turns, leaning into turns. Feels a lot more sturdy. Doesn't feel like I'm about to go down, even though I didn't do that much leaning, that much turning. I got to get a little more comfortable with the new setup. Going across the drawbridge definitely feels better, because when I usually go across that drawbridge leading into Glen Island, it usually be spinning me all over the place. Now it's kind of like I could take a straight line. On sand it's still a little dicey. Yeah, this thing is, to get up is slow. Stand still takeoff is slow. I gotta see what it do going up a hill. When I get back to Mount Vernon, I gotta see what it do going up on like Tarzan Hill. But I definitely gotta get this hopping thing out of there. I feel like it's struggling hopping like this. I hope I can rectify it. I've never felt anything like this before. This thing is really like, I thought it was feeling a little better, but no, this thing is really hopping. Today I stopped for hamburgers, corn dogs. This thing wasn't happening so much, I'll go to City Island from here. I'm on Shore Road right now, Pelham. It's a beautiful day. It's like 72 degrees. Oh man, 72 degrees feels real good compared to what we've been having. Del Sol is nice. That joint is clean. It's a clean Del Sol right there. This thing is just chugging. And when I get back, I gotta let some air out, and if I can't get this hop out of there, I gotta get new tires again. Is bad. I thought it was getting better, but it feels like it's getting worse actually. I'm 2 miles from home. affect the range. But the range I'm not too concerned about. It's not my commuter, this is my recreation right here. Although I could use it as a commuter, but it's not like my everyday commuter. It's in the summertime and when the weather is nice. 10 to 15 miles, I'm on this. Now watch the acorn. Acorns are dangerous on a bike. I didn't know that till I was making a turn and I think the front wheel hit a patch of acorns, almost went down. That was close. Yeah, this is nasty. Hot. These people took away my lane. Been a bit late. I thought that was a brake, but it sounded like that's the motor. I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna like these tires. Ooh, that leaning is nice. That leaning is nice. That was a nice lean right there. Yeah, I don't know how happy I'm going to be with these tires, even if I get them leveled out smooth and everything. They're kind of noisy. You know, they just got me feeling like the suspension is working overtime. But they like... And when I speed up, it sounds like the bike can't make it. It's like... I can't even describe it. I never experienced that before. This just feels so weird. It's like I'm chugging. Yeah, boy. My battery's stupidly low. Check that out. Newly built Memorial Field. They still working on it, but that joint is kind of hard. We getting there. We got some kind of attraction going on in Mount Vernon right now. What the hell? Again? at a first glance. Memorial Field, newly built. This joint is nice. It looks nice. The pickup is crazy. I can't get used to that. Definitely. For that, I want to take them off instantly. Either that, I'm gonna have to soup this bike up crazy.
It's got some kind of rubber arrow, right? Around the rim? Yeah. That's scary. You just stick it.